Good morning, everybody. Here we are, walking the streets of Chinatown, San Francisco. Good morning, everybody. Here we are, walking the streets of Chinatown, San Francisco. Just had a little coffee, had a little town shop, some lavazza. They just have everything here. Look at these stores. We just passed by like the food market. Right now we're headed to the cookie shop where they make they're just called, the fortune cookies. Asian fortune cookies. So we're gonna have the freshest fortune cookies in the history of fortune cookies. Let's go. This turns into a fortune cookie. Put the fortune in here. Yummy. How is it?
I love it.
That's a fortune cookie factory. They make 10,000 fortune cookies a day. So yummy. They were doing all the cool San Fran things. Guess where we're going? To the baseball game. That's right. So we're going to the ballpark. It looks lit. There's 8 billion people in front trying to get in. And we're going to watch San Francisco Giants play Pittsburgh Pirates. We're already all checked in for the flight. So the rest of the day is just having fun in San Fran. And now straight into the AT&T Park, San Francisco. Currently, score is 3-1. That's the game right there.
Are you warming up some more food?
Trying to catch the air tram back to the terminal to go home. Incredible day. Did everything you could do in a day in San Francisco. Went to the cookie factory, ate at China Live, went to a baseball game, saw the painted ladies. We just did so much stuff and it was a lot of fun. Thanks to Mr. Villamarin, full tour guide.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
We did so much today, man. We literally watched a whole game of baseball.
We did. Looks fun.
Paint the Ladies, Pier 39, the Cookie Factory.
We did wine tasting.
Wine tasting, China Live.
China Live.
Bob's Doughnuts. Holy.
It was busy.
There's a lot of stuff to do in one day. So, moral of today is try to do as much as you can in your days, especially when you're on your vacation. You know, we woke up early, try to take advantage, and we did as much as we can. So now I'm on the tram on the way back to Miami. Take advantage of every second you're living and enjoy it to the maximum. Do all the things that you want to do. Maybe you think some things are not possible to do. Just try. You can fail 30 times. Eventually you'll get it, guys. Do it all. Try to. You lose nothing with trying. All right, guys. So back in Miami. See you guys on the other side. Peace. You're opening my fortune. Stop using your phone. What? Oh. Stop searching forever. Happiness is next to you. Ah, honey. Wow.